Using debt to eliminate debt sounds like a contradiction, especially if you're trying to be fiscally responsible and have biblical wisdom. Velocity banking raises a fair question. Is this a smart cash flow strategy, or is it just debt being repackaged? Today, we're here not to determine whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, not to promote or condemn. We're here to evaluate it objectively to see if it fits your situation. Hi, my name is Chris, and with my wife Corinne, we became completely debt-free before the age of 40, utilizing the same strategies we teach here, and now we help others do exactly the same. What is velocity banking? Velocity banking is a cash flow management system, not a debt forgiveness plan. It works by having income flow through a line of credit, thereby decreasing the average daily balance on long-term debt. Think of a mortgage. When you lower your average daily balance, it ultimately turns into reducing the amount of interest paid. That's the math. That's how it actually works. Now, what this strategy doesn't replace is it doesn't replace income, it doesn't replace budgeting, and it definitely doesn't replace discipline. If you don't have all those in place, this strategy can fall off the rails. Hey guys, quick interruption on the video. My wife Corinne and I built Divine Stewardship to help Christian couples manage their money, eliminate debt, and build generational wealth through a biblical lens. Click the link in the description to learn more. Back to the video. Concern with this strategy is understandable. You could be playing with fire. Scripture does warn us about the burdensome of long-term debt. I mean, Proverbs 22:7 clearly states that the borrower is going to be slave to the lender. While this verse doesn't provide a financial formula, it does show a little bit of insight to the risks of long-term debt repayments. The real question becomes does that strategy extend the dependency or does it reduce it? Here are 5 biblical tools that we can utilize to evaluate this strategy. Number 1, stewardship, coming directly from Luke chapter 16, verse 11. Faithfulness requires understanding and managing what you have, not ignoring tools. Number 2, counting the cost, Luke 14:28. Any strategy that utilizes leverage requires planning and understanding the risks involved. Principle number 3, self-control, coming from Galatians chapter 5, verse 23. Increased access to credit requires increased discipline. Principle number 4, avoiding waste, coming from Proverbs 21:20. Interest is a cost. So reducing unnecessary interest or interest payments in general aligns perfectly with this principle. And finally, principle number 5, freedom, coming directly from Romans chapter 13, verse 8. So going along and making sure that you reduce your long-term payments definitely will increase your freedom here. It decreases your long-term obligations while also being extremely financially efficient. Velocity banking tends to fail when there's inconsistent income flow, or you have uncontrolled spending, or you are more emotional with your finances than you are with an actual plan. That's where you kind of are playing with fire. So without clarity, additional lines of credit actually become more of a burden. They don't actually help you. They actually begin to hurt and hinder your plan and make you kind of spiral or become really confused. In those cases where you're not that disciplined and you're really spiraling, that's where it throws off and does not really align with the biblical principles that we just went over. All in all, the Bible doesn't endorse any particular financial tactic. What it does promote and endorse is having biblical wisdom, intentionality, and discipline. So velocity banking is neither good nor bad. It's simply just another tool on the tool belt. And if you want help to see if this type of strategy can work for you in your current situation and with your numbers, we offer a free clarity call. So the link will be in the description so you can book yours today. Remember, you need clarity. Clarity will lead you to better decisions.